See Standard 12th Maths Chapter 5 Two-Dimensional Analytical Geometry 2 Exercise 5.2 Question number 1 Fourth subdivision. See the question is x squared. So it is fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision. X squared minus 2x plus 8y plus 17 is equal to 0. See here you have two x terms, x square minus 2x. You take the rest of the two terms to the other side, minus 8y minus 17. You have to make this as a perfect square. In order to make it as a perfect square, you see the x coefficient, it is 2. The center term actually a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So here a squared is x squared minus 2ab. 2 into x into no b here, just you take it as 1. So 1 squared. So I need to add 1 squared on both sides. Minus 8y minus 17 plus 1 squared. Or you can understand that divide this coefficient of x by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So I add 1 squared on both sides. So you will get x minus 1 the whole squared is equal to 8 minus 8y minus 16. Take minus as common and also 8 as common. You will get y plus 2. So x minus 1 the whole squared. So this is the parabola. Just I replace x minus 1 as capital X squared minus 8 y plus 2 as capital Y. So capital X is x minus 1. Capital Y is y plus 2. Y plus 2. See, look at the position of this parabola here. So x squared position here, this is vertex. See, x squared equal to minus 8y. The position is below the x-axis. You will get below the x-axis. So x dash, y dash. Y dash. So the focus is on the x-axis. So 0, minus a. Directress is above the x-axis. So x, it is a line parallel to just x. Y is equal to constants. So that is, you take as capital Y. Y is equal to a. And a line passes through this focus is the lattice rectum, L dash. Here two cases arise. We have the parabola equation in terms of capital X and Y and also in small x and y. First let us find the terms in terms of capital XY. In terms of capital X and Y. This is in terms of small x and y. So here the parabola equation, you take x squared is equal to minus 8y. X squared is equal to minus 8y. And what about this capital X and capital Y? Capital X is x minus 1. Capital X is x minus 1. So therefore small x is capital X plus 1. Capital X plus 1. And what about capital Y? Capital Y is y plus 2. Y plus 2. So small y is equal to capital Y minus 2. You have to take this also. Okay. First we will see the vertex here for this equation. The vertex V is 0, 0. It is for capital X and capital Y. What you get for small x and small y? So you just substitute here. I take here Small x is capital X plus 1, but capital X value is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. And capital Y value is also 0. So 0 minus 2 is minus 2. This is in terms of small x, y, vertex. Next is focus. So focus S is in terms of x and y. Here you will get it is below the x-axis. So 0, minus a. 0, minus a. That is 0, what is a? A here is, you take 4a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So 0, minus 2. So what about the focus in terms of small x, y? Substitute capital X as 0. So small x is 1. Minus 2 for capital Y. Minus 2 you will get minus 4. Next is equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. So directrix is a line parallel to x-axis above the x-axis. So here y is constant. Capital Y. Capital Y is equal to A. So what is A here? A we have taken as here 2. A is equal to. Capital Y is equal to. So substitute for small. You have to find for small y. So small y is equal to. Capital Y is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So small y is equal to 0. This is your directrix. Next is length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum. So 4a is equal to 8. The same constant you will get here. 4a is equal to 8. So this is the answer for you. Small x and y, capital X and y. Let me do the fifth subdivision. Y squared minus 4y minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. So y term occurs 2 terms here. So y square minus 4y equal to, take 8x to the other side, 8x minus 12. You have to make it as a perfect square. Y square minus 4y. You divide this 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So add 2 square on both sides. 2 squares on both sides. So this is y minus 2 the whole squared. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here you will get 8x minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8. Take 8 as common. You will get x minus 1. So y minus 2 the whole squared equal to 8 into x minus 1. So capital Y squared equal to 8x. So what is capital Y? Y minus 2. Capital X is x minus 1. So 4a is equal to 8 here. You have to find that also. So a is 8 by 4 is equal to 2. Okay. So let me find the So the equation is here y squared equal to 8x. In terms of capital X and Y. So here in small x and y. So you have to find what is small x and y here. Small x is here capital X plus 1. Take this minus 1 to the other side. X plus 1. And small y is capital Y plus 2. Okay, first you take vertex. So vertex as usual for the, so if you want, just let me have the position here. So we are thorough with the position. Y squared is equal to 8x. Y squared equal to 8x. So x-axis x dash, y dash. So you will get the position of this y squared equal to 4x. Origin, vertex, S is at a distance a units from the origin. So a comma 0 and directrix is here. It's a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of a units, that is minus a. So x is equal to minus a. Minus a. This is the lattice rectum. Same. So for vertex is 0, 0. But in terms of small x and y, replace capital X as, this is capital X, y. X is 0, so 1, 1, comma, 0 plus 2 is 2. This is small x, y value. And then focus. Focus is S is here a, comma 0. A, comma 0. So what is a here? We have got 2. So 2, comma 0. So this is capital X. Substitute capital X as 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And y is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Our focus is 3, comma 2. Then equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. It is on the left side of y-axis. Therefore, capital X is equal to minus a. What is a? Capital X equal to minus 2. So that is x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, I find this in terms of small x. Substitute x as minus 2. Small x is equal to minus 2. Small x equal to minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. So, x plus 1 is equal to 0. What about lattice rectum? Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. 4a is equal to 8. 4a is equal to 8. Sorry. 8. So here also you will get 4a is equal to 8. Same 4a is equal to 8. See, I hope you can understand this concept. This is easy one for you. So just you straight away you write. Thank you.